Sitting on this train tracks is a $250,000 Lamborghini, and barreling down on it right now is a massive train. But before the impact on given this Lamborghini to black. Thank you, and on top of sending the train, I'm also given have this at soldier shoot 10,000 bullets at your Lamborghini. 80 scariest thing मैंने ever seen है. Yeah, it's gonna be fun, and you have actually 24 hours to bullet whatever you want to protest Lamborghini from the bullets. The timer starts us now, okay. First line and defense, I'm thinking a wall of cinder blocks, after that some shipping containers filled with refrigerators, and then basically just wall of cars to block those bullets. You think, Arnold, this is enough to stop 10,000 bullets? It is Jimmy, okay? But so far nothing's there, you should get that building. Black immediately drive to 3 stores of hair I give in my credit card, and he literally spent $78,000 on supplies. And since I don't want to bore you with Onel dead, let's just skip to part when everything was delivered. His first round supplies are starting to show up. Omega can't believe I bought all this stuff. Eat is even everything, man. He got a water truck, zoom on of him, junk cars came in. He got a Connex crate over here. How do you get this much stuff? This is crazy. Don't worry about the guys with the machine guns. Just pretend they're not there. Yeah, I don't want to know what they're, honestly. War 5 hours in, and this storage container is about to beat first line defense against 10,000 bullets on L right. That's probable good. Do you think that shipping container gonna stop any bullets? Absolutely not. So age now he am screwed. Yeah, it's not looking good for him. Oh god. It's been about 6 hours. Are you happy with your progress? I'm very happy. You, sir? Want until this thing down. But now that is down to you, I feel really good. I asked them if this would stop the bullets, and they said no. And once Black realized he have to go on allowed, he worked not only through the night. This time Mr. Railroad Tie. Nice, yes, really nice, very nice, but even into next morning upgrading his defense duty stuff in the storage container, even on my giant tube. And one size of salt put together. I was honestly pretty impressed. Run me through what you built. So I built a whole bunch of concrete in the front gun and the tallest part of the wall right in the center to block the crow's nest machine guns, cause those things are big and scary. I got all my storage containers and a bunch water, and if you come right over here, you will see high Lamborghini tucked away, mask, everything where it is nice. Koji, do you think all this will stop our bullets? Yeah, I do. I think you have a property 50% chance survival में से best on spat. Yeah, and before I have them shoot 10,000 round, come with me to Lamborghini. Not only are you competing for this Lamborghini, fat for 100 grand age wall. What? Yes sir, yeah, that pretty cool. This will be enough cover the insurance. 24 hours is out at Scary Man 10,000 bull. ये एक बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण और डरावना क्षण है जब 24 घंटे का समय समाप्त हो रहा है और हम एक बहुत ही खतरनाक और शक्तिशाली 10,000 बुल के सामने खड़े हैं। ये स्थिति अत्यंत चुनौतीपूर्ण